What's up, tech fans, and welcome back. We all know Samsung is a king in the smartphone world, but what if I told you their next big device is about to completely redefine premium? We're talking about a phone so packed with power, it might just blow your mind. The leaks are in, and we're here to break down the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy P2 5G. Is this the ultimate powerhouse you've been waiting for? Let's dive in and find out. Features of the Samsung Galaxy P2 5G. Display. First things first, let's talk about that screen. This isn't just a display, it's a portal to a new reality. The Galaxy P2 5G is rumored to sport a massive 6.78-inch Super AMOLED screen, with a jaw-dropping 2K resolution. We're talking visuals so sharp, they'll make your old phone feel ancient. But it's not just about looks. Get this, it also packs a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and a 240Hz blazing fast touch sampling rate for an unbelievably responsive experience. Gamers, this one's for you. Plus, it's built to last with Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 protection, and an IP68 rating, so you don't have to worry about a little water or dust. DSLR quality camera. Ready to elevate your photography game? The Galaxy P2 is rumored to feature a pro-grade camera setup, headlined by a massive 250-megapixel primary sensor. With OIS support, we're talking about a camera that could rival a professional DSLR. Say goodbye to blurry photos and hello to stunning, detailed shots. And for all the selfie lovers out there, the 50-megapixel front-facing camera is just as impressive. Ultimate performance. What powers a phone like this? Nothing less than the best. The Galaxy P2 is expected to run on the mighty Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the most powerful processor on the market. Paired with the latest Android 16, this phone is engineered for seamless performance, effortless multitasking, and a user experience that feels truly next-gen. Battery backup. Let's face it, a powerhouse phone needs a powerhouse battery. The Galaxy P2 is rumored to come with a robust battery, and while we've seen some rumors suggesting a huge 7100 mAh battery, it also supports super fast 90-watt wired charging, so you can get back to what you love in no time. Price and launch date. Now for the question on everyone's mind, what's the price? Rumors suggest the Galaxy P2 2025 will be priced around $999, positioning it as a true flagship. As for the launch, there's no official confirmation yet,